check out this Drawstring sports bag slash backpack. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this is the green version of a drawstring backpack that works so well, and you can see that it fits very nicely on my back. I'll put it on very quickly. So it works really well just to have like this. And then you can put anything within this backpack. You can put shoes in there if you're going out to do some sports. If you want to go traveling, like do some hiking, you can put like various things like first aid kits or even like some snacks in there as well. There are just so many options that you can have with these drawstring backpacks, and there are 8 different colors that come in this 120-piece drawstring backpack case. So this is the green version. There's also blue, black, purple, red, orange, teal, yellow, and green, as I said. So it's just a fantastic set. You know, if we look at the rest of the bag, here is a set of drawstring backpacks, and it comes in a pack of 120. Now these are also very light. I mean, you can even like hold it on, you know, throw it up in the air and catch it. It's very, very light. You can wash it very easily if you wanted to as well. I'm excited to take this out for, you know, like I could take it to a music festival if I wanted to and have, you know, my ticket and all the stuff in there to, you know, go around the festival and see different shows. It's just a really awesome style backpack, and it's so durable. It really works so well, and I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.